Welcome to our showdown between two top power supplies, the Corsair RM750e and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3. Today, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and features to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. First, let's compare the wattage. The Corsair RM750e offers 750 watts of power, which is sufficient for most mid-range builds. In contrast, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 provides a higher wattage of 850 watts, making it more suitable for high-performance systems, especially those with powerful GPUs like the RTX 4090. Next, we look at size and weight. The Corsair RM750e is smaller and lighter, making it easier to fit in compact cases. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 is larger and heavier, which may be a consideration for those with limited space in their builds. Finally, let's discuss the warranty. The Corsair RM750e comes with a 7-year warranty, which is quite good. However, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 offers a longer 10-year warranty, providing extra peace of mind for users looking for durability and reliability in their power supply. In conclusion, both power supplies have their strengths. The Corsair RM750e is a great choice for those who need a compact and quiet option, while the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 is ideal for users requiring more power and a longer warranty. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.